Hello guys, welcome to mathmarvelasmr. Today we have a function that is f of x is equals to 7x plus 9 divided by 4x minus 7. We have to find the inverse of the given function. This is our requirement. We are asked to find that. Now we all know that there is a normal colloquial method, that is we have to assume y equals to 7x plus 9 divided by 4x minus 7, and then cross multiply this 4xy minus 7y is equals to 7x plus 9. Now we will bring all the term related to x in the left side and put all of the terms in the right. Take x common, that is 4y minus 7 is equals to 7y plus 9. Now x is equals to 7y plus 9 divided by 4y minus 7. This is the value of x. Now put f of fx. Let's find the value of f of fx. That is f of x, that is given here 7x plus 9 divided by 4x minus 7. Now f of this function, that is we have to put this total part in place of x in the given function, that will be 7 into 7x plus 9 divided by 4x minus 7 plus of 9, and 4 into 7x plus 9 divided by 4x minus 7 minus 7. Now take LCM, that will be 49x plus 63 plus of 36x minus 63 divided by 4x minus 7 whole divided by, here it is 28x plus of 36 minus 28x plus 49 whole divided by 4x minus 7. Now these two will be omitted. Now the final answer is 63 plus 63 minus 63 gone, and here it is plus 28x and minus 28x. So it will be 49x plus 36x divided by 36 plus 49, that is 85x divided by 85. So the ultimate answer is x. So f of fx is equals to x. We derived that f of fx is equals to x. So it means it provides f of x is equals to f inverse x. So here f of x is equals to f inverse x. So obviously f of x we know in the question, that is 7x plus 9 divided by 4x minus 7. So obviously f inverse x is also equals to this. So this function is actually equals to its inverse. So this function is inverse of itself. Now this is the method, we all know that. Now we will learn the trick how to solve it in seconds. Now let's write out the function. F of x is equals to 7x plus 9 divided by 4x minus 7. Now observe carefully the coefficient of x here and the constant with sign here. If these two have the same value and minus is included in one of them, any one of them, then you have to write down its inverse as directly, then it will be 7x plus 9 divided by 4x minus 7. Same, the function and its inverse are same, since these two are same but their signs are opposite. So if this is a given function type and we are asked to find its inverse, then actually we have to find that if a equals to d and their signs are opposite, then f inverse x will be equals to f of x. That's our trick today. That's it for today. Share to your math lover friends. If you are benefited from my videos, my previous videos, then obviously like them and share to your friends. subscribe the channel and stay tuned for the further uploads. Thank you.